guys, so I got a squishy slash squidgy. Squeeze me. Anyway, I'm gonna be testing this squidgy. I'm so excited. I have this friend and she loves squishies, but she doesn't have any. So we're twins. Now I got a squishy. Now it says super slow rising, but look at that. It's already rose. Miss. It's so squishy. I love it. It was £6 at the works in town. Squishy, squishy, squish, 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 squish. I love it. My friend, he mentioned this in the chat to download this app so I can play Minecraft. But I don't have a YouTube channel on my Kindle, which is the only device I have that I have the aquatic update. So I don't think I'll be able to play Minecraft until my phone has the aquatic update. But seriously, this is so soft. Really short, but that was my review on my squidgy. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.